Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whatever it is, wherever you are. I never wear the right footwear, so I always gotta watch my step. But we are in Joshua Tree, which I came here on a whim because Death Valley was closed. And so was Yosemite, or at least the roads going into them were closed. So instead, I came here. That's Coachella Valley. This is where they have Coachella. Decent spot. Yeah, we got in today. Had some lunch, supper. And I don't really have plans for the rest of the weekend. I'm probably gonna find a hike. I'm gonna find some biking to do, and just explore more. Take a lot of photos. I feel like this place looks pretty cool. It's very bright out. It's plus 18 degrees. Pretty windy, and it's been windy the whole way here. I hit a tumbleweed on the road out, which was kind of like one of those things you see in movies, you know? So it just like rolled right in front of the road, right in front of the car. This place looks pretty cool. So there you go. The desert is very harsh. I was walking around in flip-flops earlier without socks, and it wasn't a very pleasant experience, and so I put on socks, and it's not much better. So I think I should put on shoes. Everything's prickly and everything's got spikes and everything is dry and hard. And yeah, I'm coming from like rainforest vibes where all the leaves are like very moist and everything here, and then everything here is dry. So just an interesting contrast, I suppose. But very cool. Big fan. is a gorgeous place, but damn, it is busy, and this isn't even like busy season. This is off season. Most of the parking lots here around here are full, but it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. To be honest, I wish I could just like park in here for the night, but I don't think you can. So I'm gonna try and find a spot that is of equal level awesome. We'll see how we pan out there. The universe is kind of in your favor sometimes. When I entered the park, the chick that was like waving people through and stuff, a little kiosk where you got to pay the park fee, there was a bunch of people, and there's like 6 cars ahead of me, and she like came to that van and she's like, just go around, come back. When you come back, just pay then. So I said, okay. I could have gone through any other exit, but I came to the same exit that I entered on, and I was gonna pay. And then the dude that was like flagging people down and checking receipts or checking a pass, he just like opened the little like side gate, and he's just like, yeah, you can go pay at the visitor center. And then he like gave me like a little wink, and I'm like, sweet, thanks man. So there you go, free trip through Joshua National Park today. That's pretty fucking rad. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Nice. That's some good energy. Peace. guess when you're in the desert, you don't really get water. Been driving around here for the last, I don't know, hour trying to find somewhere to get fucking water. I wanted to make some food for lunch. My frying pan's dirty. I have water to drink, but I don't want to do dishes with that. Like, that's not ideal. To find somewhere to get water from, and I went to 4 different spots and no luck. So I'm gonna keep driving around the desert trying to find water. That's how my day's unfolding. Went for a little bike ride this morning. That was super rad. Biking in the desert, like, just super cool. What a place. It's very interesting. It's very unique, very quirky, very fun. I like it, but I can see myself getting sick of it, particularly because there's no water. So what I've realized is that I actually like a body of water around me. I feel like that is, it's like a source of life, you know? So I feel like it's just like necessary, like you need it. So anyways, that's all I got. I'm gonna continue driving around Yucca Valley and see if I can find somewhere to get fucking water. I don't even know where to go. So there you go, folks. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Found some water. It says 3 minutes maximum pump. Now, I don't have a problem adhering to that timeline. Problem is gonna be whether or not this spigot is fast enough. So, you know, sometimes I do get concerned about whether or not the water that I'm getting is good enough, you know? But I think it is. We're just gonna go for it. We're gonna think it is. Oh yeah, that's nice water. Look at that. Good stuff. Yeah, the other center was like, I had to drive 30 kilometers. I had to drive 10 one way and then 30 the other way. But this seems like it'll work. So let me just go plug this in. So I had to drive to the town of Yucca Valley. Oh yeah, sweet water. I had to drive to the town of Yucca Valley. And then I looked around there and there wasn't anywhere to get water there. All the fill stations and all the places were for jugs and they didn't have a threaded tap. I kept looking on iOverlander because that's kind of how I find my water source. If someone else drank from here, then I will also drink from here. So this place is a visitor center in the town of 29 Palms, which is south of Joshua Tree. Southwest? I think it's west. And so came here instead. So it seems like it's working well. I'm gonna just check on levels and I gotta do it manually. I don't have any fancy systems that tells me whether it's almost full or not, but next time.